And this is the 2015 Woodpeckers Challenge at some golf course in Portugal.
Called Pinhole.
Pinhole. Justin looks like a twat. He's just rubbing his balls. Okay, Malcolm.
Here we go. My honour this time. Justin's last time. Here we go. 7-iron. Got a lovely vista there of the lake in front of the green there. Hopefully I'll get on in one. Here we go.
Nice bit of commentary, Mal.
Thank you.
Lovely strike, but nowhere near the green. Thanks for that burp, Justin.
Fuck it. I'm going back to the bunkers. I'm going back to the hotel. I'm fucking depressed. Lamb shank.
Just left of the bunkers. Never mind.
Woodpeckers.
Woodpeckers.
Right.
Right.
Let's all play avoid the green.
Not so good, that one. Still, it's safe, Justin. It's safe, mate.
Oh, great.
I like his chance.
Doesn't help that it's 40 degrees.
I'm freezing. Right, someone has to hit the green, surely.
Yep, I'm the nearest so far. Just left of those bunkers. No pressure.
None taken.
That's not very good. And this is what you call good golf. Somehow I don't think this might go on Facebook. We might have to wait for another hole.
Fucking 8 par 3.
Actually no, let's make sure it does go on Facebook.
Shit.
Go on Dave, show us how it's done, mate. Yeah, ooh, hold it, hold it. Yep, you're okay, just in the tree line there. Well done, that concludes the second Woodpecker Classic. I'll leave the final comment to David Weir as we end this.
Shit shot, shit shot.
Thank you.